Food is more than sustenance. It's a universal language of love, tradition, and celebration. Every corner of the globe offers unique flavors waiting to be discovered. From the hearty stews of France to the aromatic curries of India, a world of culinary adventure awaits. Join us as we embark on a delicious journey exploring authentic regional recipes and the stories they tell. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread in a Parisian bakery. Picture the vibrant spices filling the bustling markets of Marrakesh. Food has the power to transport us, to connect us with different cultures, and to broaden our culinary horizons. Let's delve into the heart of regional cuisines, where each bite is a celebration of heritage and flavor. Our first stop takes us to France, where the rustic dish of coq au vin reigns supreme. This slow-cooked chicken stew, simmered in red wine, bacon and mushrooms, embodies the essence of French country cooking. Next, we travel to India, a land of diverse flavors and aromas. Here, the iconic biryani, a fragrant rice dish layered with meat, vegetables and aromatic spices, tantalizes the taste buds. Our culinary adventure continues in Mexico, where mole, a complex sauce made with chili peppers, spices and chocolate, adds depth and richness to countless dishes. These are just a few examples of the culinary treasures that await discovery. From the hearty stews of Morocco to the delicate sushi of Japan, each region boasts its own unique flavors and ingredients. Let's explore the heart of these culinary traditions, uncovering the secrets behind their iconic dishes. Authentic regional recipes are more than just a list of ingredients and instructions. They are a reflection of history, geography, and cultural heritage. Traditional ingredients, often passed down through generations, play a vital role in shaping the unique flavors of a region. Take, for instance, the use of saffron in Spanish paella, the aromatic spice lending its distinct flavor and golden hue to the dish. Similarly, the use of star anise in Vietnamese pho imparts a warm, licorice-like flavor to the broth. Beyond ingredients, traditional cooking techniques are equally important in preserving the authenticity of regional recipes. Slow cooking methods, such as braising and stewing, are common in many cultures, allowing flavors to meld and deepen over time. In contrast, stir-frying, a technique widely used in Asian cuisines, ensures quick cooking and preserves the freshness and crunch of ingredients. Section 4. A taste of home recipes to recreate. Ready to embark on your own culinary adventure? We've gathered 2 authentic recipes from different corners of the globe, allowing you to experience the joy of preparing these dishes in your own kitchen. First, we present a classic coq au vin, a true embodiment of French comfort food. This recipe guides you through the process of browning chicken pieces, simmering them in red wine with bacon and mushrooms, and finally, achieving that rich, flavorful sauce. Next, we share a recipe for a simple yet flavorful Indian biryani, allowing you to recreate the magic of this aromatic rice dish. Follow the step-by-step instructions to layer fragrant rice with your choice of meat or vegetables, creating a symphony of flavors and aromas. These recipes are just a starting point. Encourage experimentation with different ingredients and spices, adapting the recipes to your own preferences. The joy of cooking lies in the journey of discovery, so don't be afraid to add your personal touch. Section 5. Embrace the diversity of flavors. In a world that often feels increasingly divided, food has the power to unite us. Exploring authentic regional recipes allows us to appreciate the richness and diversity of cultures around the globe. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we share a common love for good food and the joy it brings. So, open your kitchens and hearts to the world of culinary exploration. Embrace the opportunity to learn about different cultures through their cuisines. Whether it's gathering around a table with loved ones to share a traditional dish or experimenting with new flavors in your own kitchen, let food be a bridge that connects us all. The world of culinary adventure awaits, offering a lifetime of delicious discoveries. Section 6. Conclusion. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the bustling streets of Bangkok, the world is brimming with culinary treasures waiting to be unearthed. By embracing authentic regional recipes, we not only tantalize our taste buds, but also embark on a journey of cultural discovery. Let's celebrate the heritage, traditions and stories embedded in every bite. So go forth, explore and savor the hidden flavors that make our world so deliciously diverse.